Hi guys, today we're learning Chinese Mandarin. I hope you
Language.
enjoy it.
Okay.
So let's get started to the video.
Yes.
E,
What's number one?
E, E.
Okay, number one. You say in English, number one.
Number one is E.
Okay. And hand signal. Okay. Then number two. What's
Er.
Or how about your hand signal? Okay. Number two, Okay. Number three.
Sun.
Okay, what's the hand? How do you go?
Sun.
How? Number three. Okay. San. And number four.
S.
Okay, it's four, right? Okay, number five.
Number five is Wo.
Wo. Then number five. Okay, number six.
Leo.
Okay.
Leo.
Okay. Then number
It's
six.
six. I mean
Six.
six. Sorry.
Okay. Number seven.
Chi.
Okay. What's the hand signal?
Chi
Okay, number seven. Number eight.
is Ba. Ba.
Then hand signal. Eight.
Ba.
Okay, ba. Number nine.
Yo.
Mm-hmm.
Yo.
Then hand signal. Okay,
Yo.
nine. Then number 10.
Is sure.
Okay.
Sure, like a Jesus cross.
Okay, cross. Okay.
Yeah, so you can do anything, but you can do anything like this. You can do this or this.
Okay.
Anything. It's up to you.
Yeah, so number 10.
Number 10.
That's number 10. Hand signal. What's the hand signal of number 10? Okay. So what's the name of the number 10?
Sure.
Okay, sure. And that's all.
That's all. That's all, kids. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Bye. Bye.